Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the default airport in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the other section, look for the settings button and just click on that. And then click on the default airport button. And as you can see, you can search from the nearby airports, or you can scroll down and look for the airport that you want to set as a default. And once you click on that, the airport is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.